Stanley. Come on. We have to walk by the spooky house. We have to walk by the spooky house. Come on. Over here. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on, Stanley. Uh-oh. Here comes the spooky house. Here comes the spooky house. There's the spooky house. What is that? What is that, Stanley? Come here. It's okay. It's okay. It's a spooky house. No, don't eat the acorns. Come on, get closer. Come on. Come on. Come on. Stanley, what's the matter? Come on. This is the spooky house. Stanley is afraid of it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, stop eating things. Drop that. Thank you. Come here. You scared of the spooky house? You scared of the spooky house? Yes, that's a spooky house.